Let's call it what it is. The California Franchise Tax Board (FTB) is running a legalized scam, squeezing every last dollar from regular people while letting the rich and powerful play by different set of rules. Here's how the system works against you and who's responsible. How the scam works. The FTB often claims you owe taxes based on incomplete or incorrect brokerage data, like only looking at your total sales without factoring in your cost basis or losses. If you don't file every piece of paperwork perfectly, they treat all your sales as profit even if you lost money. If you have losses carried forward from previous years, good luck getting them recognized. The FTB's bureaucracy is notorious for ignoring or mishandling this, leaving you on the hook for taxes you don't actually owe. When you dispute their claims, you're buried in paperwork and told to pay up or face liens and levies on your bank accounts, property, or even your paycheck. These liens can ruin your credit and make it impossible to sell or refinance your home. The system is regressive. Lower-income Californians pay a higher share of their income in sales and excise taxes, while the wealthy use loopholes and tax breaks to avoid paying their fair share. Wealth isn't even taxed, just income, so the rich keep getting richer. Who's responsible? The FTB leadership and staff, who enforce these draconian rules and ignore evidence of taxpayer hardship. State legislators, who have the power to reform the tax code but instead pass laws that favor corporations and the wealthy. The Department of Finance, which provides little oversight and transparency, allowing unfair tax expenditures to continue year after year. Keep your assets in offline cold storage, crypto, or cash, anything the government can't easily seize or track. Live off the grid as much as possible. Barter. Use cash and avoid putting assets in your name. If you must use the system, document everything meticulously and consult a tax professional to fight back against bogus FTB claims. If you're hit with a lien, pay as little as possible upfront and negotiate a payment plan. But don't expect fairness. Report systemic issues directly to the FTB using their own channels. But don't expect quick results. Organize or join advocacy groups pushing for tax reform and transparency. Contact your state representatives and demand the end regressive taxes and close loopholes for the wealthy. Publicly expose FTB abuses on social media, in the press, or through legal action. Who to contact for change? Your state assembly member and senator demand they reform the tax code. The California Department of Finance insists on more oversight and transparency. Grassroots organizations focused on tax justice and economic equality. The FTB system is designed to trap regular people while letting the rich off the hook. If you want to end this corruption, get organized, stay informed, and fight back, because the system won't change itself.